So this is what my hair looks like after wetting my hair. Now I'm gonna take my conditioner. So you're gonna apply it through your hair, but like just stretch it out at the same time. The duration for the style is only for 1 day because it's not healthy to leave conditioner in your hair for more than a day. Adding this much. So now I wet my hair a little bit, I'm gonna show you guys what to do. So just keep stretching your hair out until the conditioner finally just starts to dissolve. Me personally, I love this technique. I just feel like the conditioner kind of like diminishes the clumps of gel that the gel would put into my hair whenever I do like just gel and start raking it through. So yeah, I feel like this gives more of a natural look. Yeah, I'm gonna try this again.